This video may only be video clip. Title: Extremely Dangerous Biggest Bulldozer in the World Heavy Equipment Mach-E Greater than 210 Trends Worldwide. Welcome to our video clip. Sources. In this video we will show you an overview about some of the largest and powerful bulldozers in the world that can deal with heavy load and hard-working environment. Let's get started. PAACO Bulldozer. These are further divided into PB 462, PB 442, POC, and PB 522 types. PAACO Bulldozer, therefore, has many features, but generally, they are strong tracked machines that contain a big metal blade at the front. The primary use case for these is to push a large amount of soil, sand, rubble or other material during construction or demolition. Caterpillar D11. This is another heavy-duty Caterpillar bulldozer, and it is one of the biggest bulldozers and also one of the most powerful. Weighing more than 230,000 pounds and powered by an 850 horsepower engine, the D11 can literally move mountains or whatever unsuspecting archaeology major happens to be on MT. Mining and large-scale construction works best with this machine due to its sophisticated technology and heavy-duty design. Komatsu D575A. The Komatsu D575A is the biggest bulldozer which has been manufactured by 330,000 pounds with a 1,150 horsepower engine. This brute can push up to 90 cubic yards per scoop. And the MAN TGS scares all with its sheer size and power, fit for the most difficult mining and earth-moving operations. Liebherr PR764 Litronic Source. CreativeMachines.com. Liebherr PR764 Litronic, as its name implies, is experienced with some pretty cool gadgets and is also taking the hounds up for a great run. At 110,000 pounds, and offering 422 horsepower, it is both nimble and efficient. It is the best in large-scale construction and mining projects with all advanced features available in the dump truck. John Deere 1050 KA 105K bulldozer that is clean and powerful, weighing in a more approximate 95,000 pounds, and running a 350 horsepower engine. It offers superior print quality and excellent performance in terms of productivity and reliability for customers in even the harshest working conditions. Shantui SD90-5. The Shantui SD90-5 is a huge dozer for big tasks, offering a maximum net power of 560 horsepower, 416 kilowatts, to work alongside operating weights of 90,000 kilograms, 198,416 pounds, and 104,000 kilograms, 229,280 pounds respectively. Tipping the scales at 250,000 pounds and motivated by a 900 horsepower engine, it has some of the most spectacular performance, and more likely than not a service life in the hundreds of decades if properly maintained. Large-scale mining and construction projects benefit from Montana Lewis and Clark Oil Minery. The Montana Lewis and Clark Oil Minery is built tough and loaded with the latest advancements in technology. They are the awe-inspiring machines that every great manufacturer of the planet has used to help build their empires and tackle the toughest construction and mining projects. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. Share your feedback in the comments, and tell us which bulldozer you like the most. See you in the next video.